Welcome for today's class of mathematics. This is for class 9 mathematics chapter 13 surface area and volume. Today I am going to solve exercise 13.1 question number 7. Okay. So let us start. This is the 7th question. First you all can take down the question. Let me explain you all. Shanti's sweet stall was placing an order for making cardboard boxes for packing their sweets. Two sizes of box were required. The bigger dimensions 25 into 20 into 5. Okay, so this will be your length, this will be your breadth, and this will be your height. Okay, this is for the bigger boxes. Now this we are talking about the bigger boxes over here. Okay, next part is, and the smaller of dimension, smaller box dimension is what? 15 into 12 into 5. That means this will be your length, this 15 is your length, 12 is your breadth, and 5 is your height. Okay, for all the overlap, 5% of the total surface area is required extra. If the cost of the cardboard is rupees 4 for 1000 centimeters square, what you'll have to find? You'll have to find the cost of the cardboard required for supplying 250 boxes of each kind. Okay, so this is something which you'll have to find. You'll have to find the cost of the cardboard required for supplying how many boxes? 250 boxes for each kind. Okay, let us find out this. Basically, there are two boxes given to you all. Okay, now this is for the bigger box. Okay, this is for the bigger one, and this is for the smaller boxes. Okay, smaller box. So let us see. Now first let me solve the for bigger boxes. Length is given to be what? Here length is given to be 25, breadth is to be 20, and height is 5. 25, 20 and 5. So for bigger boxes, let the length, you all can write down. This is the solution which you all can write down. Okay. For bigger box, let the length, comma breadth and height of the bigger box are length capital L, capital B and capital H respectively. Length is given as 25 centimeter, breadth is given to be 20 centimeter, height is given to be 5 centimeter. Okay. So length is what? 25, breadth is 20 and your height is 5 centimeter for bigger box. We are solving it for bigger box. What is the formula? We need to find the area of the cardboard. To find the area of the cardboard, okay, you will use this formula. Twice length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length. Okay. Now what is your length? Let us find out this. So let us find out. Okay. Basically this is equal to twice is equal to twice. In the bracket you all can write down your length is 25, right? 25 multiplied by your breadth is 20 plus 20 multiplied by your height is 5 plus your height is 5 multiplied by your length is 25, right? Put the bracket. Okay, in the outside you can put centimeter square. Centimeter square. So next step, what you are going to do? 2 into 25 multiplied by 20 will give you 500. 20 into 5 will give you 100. 5 into 25 will give you 125. Okay. Here you all can write down 2 into that, if you multiply 500, write down, plus 100 plus 125 into centimeter square. Here on this page you all can see that 2 into, write down, 25 multiplied by 20 will give you 500 plus 20 multiplied by 5 will give you 100 plus 5 multiplied by 25 will give you 125 centimeter square. 2 multiplied by, you'll have to add 500 plus 100 plus 125 will give you 725. 2 multiplied by 725 will give you 1450 centimeter square. If you all don't know the multiplication, you can comment below. I will provide you the link of the multiplication. Next, moving towards this thing. For all the overlap, 5% of the total surface area is required for extra is what? So let us write down the overlap area. Overlap area is equal to 5% of 1450. Okay, what answer we got? 1450 centimeters square. Okay, now 5% means you'll have to divide it by 100, right? 5 divided by 100, 5 upon 100 multiplied by 1450. What answer you all are going to get? Here 10 will get cancelled. You all have to multiply this first. 5 multiplied by 145, you will get 725. Okay, 725 upon 10. Okay, the decimal point will come over here. 72.5 centimeter square. Okay, next let us find out the total surface area of the bigger cardboard with extra overlap. So let me write it on the next. Now you can write down this. Okay, total surface area of bigger box of bigger cardboard, it is of bigger cardboard box with extra overlap you all can write down this. Okay, is equal to 1450 plus 72.5 centimeter square. So what we are doing over here is we are adding these numbers. This is taken from 1450 over here. From here 1450 plus 72.5, the overlap area. If we add this, what answer we are going to get? If you all don't know the addition, you all can comment below. I will provide you the link of the addition. So 1522.5 centimeter square. Okay. Now let us find the total surface area. Let us find the total surface area. In the bracket you all can write down. With extra overlap. Of 250 boxes, of 250 such boxes, such bigger boxes is equal to, what answer we got? 1522.5 multiplied by 250 centimeters square. Write it outside the bracket. Okay, so if you multiply this, what answer you are going to get? 38065 it is, right? 0625 centimeter square. So cost of the cardboard for 1000 centimeter square is equal to rupees 4. So cost of the cardboard for 1 centimeter square is equal to rupees 4 upon 1000, right? So now the cost of the cardboard for 380,625 centimeter square is rupees 4 upon 1000 multiplied by this number. So now if you multiply this 4 upon 1000, okay, divide upon this multiplied by 380,625, what will be your answer? You will get rupees 1522.5. Okay, so this is your answer for the bigger box. Now let us do it for the smaller box. Okay, if you all have not, if you all didn't understand multiplication or any of the part or addition or anything from this, you all can comment below. I'll make a separate video on that. I'll provide a link in the comment section only. So let me do the continuation of this is for the smaller box. Okay, we are done with the bigger box. Okay, now let us do it for the, let us find the cost of the cardboard for the smaller box. Okay, now moving towards the smaller box. For smaller box, let the length, breadth and height of the smaller box are small l, small b and small height respectively. Length is equal to, for smaller box, what was your length? For smaller box, your length was given to be 15, breadth was 12 and height was 15 over here. Okay, so your length was 15, your breadth was 12 and your height was 5 centimeter for smaller box. So the area of the cardboard is equal to, what is the formula? Twice length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length you'll have to do. Now twice, what is your length? Your length is nothing but 15. Plug the value over here. Multiplied by breadth. Your breadth is 12 centimeter plus 12 into 5. Breadth is 12. Your height is 5. So 12 into 5 plus your height is 5. Your length is 15. So now 2 multiplied by 15 multiplied by 12, you will get 180. 12 multiplied by 5, you will get 60. 5 multiplied by 15, you will get 75. Now this is equal to 2 multiplied by, add this 180 plus 60, you will have to add 180 plus 60 plus 75. Add these numbers and see if you all are getting the correct answer. 8 plus 7 will give you 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So you will get 315, right? 315 you all got over here. Now you all have to multiply that 315 by 315 multiplied by 2. 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2, 3, 3 2s are 6. So your answer is 630 over here. 630 centimeter square it is. Square. Okay. Centimeter square. Okay. Put a square over here. So moving towards the next part, let us so this is, you all can take down, for all the overlap of 5% of the total surface area is required extra that we need to find. Therefore overlap area is equal to 5% of what answer we got over here? 630, right? So write down 630. Then you all have to divide 5 divided by 100. Okay, because we have to remove the 5% of it. So multiplied by 630. Here 0 0 will get cancelled. 5 multiplied by 63 you all have to do. Okay, 5 3s are, you will get 15. 5 6 are 30, 31. 315 you all are getting. So 315 and put the decimal point over here because upon 10 is there. You all can see there is upon 10. So decimal point will come right over here. Okay, so centimeter square, write it down, centimeter square. Centimeter square. Okay. Now what you all have to write is, now total surface area of smaller cardboard box with extra overlap is, you all have to add this 630 centimeter square plus 31.5 centimeter square. Okay. So write down 630 plus 31.5 centimeter square. If you add these two numbers, you will get 661.5 centimeter square. Okay, 630 plus 31.5 is equal to 661.5 centimeter square. Now let us find a total surface area with extra overlap. So now it is Total surface area with extra overlap of 250 such small. Okay, so let us see this for smaller boxes, right? Write down these boxes properly, okay? BOXES. So for smaller boxes, it is going to be what? Okay, point. Okay, so the answer will be for 6. What answer we got over here? 661.5 multiplied by 250. Okay, so 661.5 multiplied by 250 centimeter square. Okay, what will be your answer? 661.5 multiplied by 250 will give you 165,375. Multiply and see if you all are getting. Okay, if you all don't know the multiplication, you all can comment below. I'll provide you the link in the comment section. Okay, now this is your total surface area with extra overlap of 250 such boxes. You have to multiply it with 250. Okay, next what you'll have to do is cost of the cardboard for. Next, write down cost of the cardboard for 1000 centimeter square is equal to rupees 4, right? It is given in the question, this part. Now, cost of the cardboard for 1 centimeter square will be rupees 4 upon 1000. This 1000 will go down, okay? Now, write down cost of the cardboard for 165375 centimeter square. This we need to find out. So, you have to write down 4 upon 1000 multiplied by this number. Write down 165375. Okay, 165375. So what answer you are going to get is rupees 661.5. Okay, this is the cost of the cardboard for this. Okay, 165375 centimeter square. Now we need to find the total cost of the cardboard required for supplying to 50 boxes of each kind. Therefore, you can write down cost of cardboard. So cost of cardboard required for supplying 250 boxes of each kind. So is equal to, for the first box what we got, rupees 1522.5, plus for the smaller box what we got is rupees 661.5. Okay, add this and see, you will get rupees 2184. Okay, see for smaller box it is 661.5. Okay, this is for the smaller box and this is for the first part for the bigger box, 1522.5. You all have to add both the boxes, you will get rupees 2184. So I hope you all have understood exercise 13.1 question number 7, and thanks for watching. If any doubts, queries, you all can comment below. I'll provide you the link in the description. If you all have not understood multiplication or anything, I'll provide it to you all. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe.